Welcome to Kids Learning Council. Let's learn today how to find the elapsed time. But wait, before that, we really need to know that what is elapsed time? Elapsed time is like a magical clock that counts how much time has passed between two moments. In fun way, imagine that elapsed time is a superhero that can tell you how long it took to finish your favorite video game, how many minutes you spent playing with your friends at the park. Or we can simply assume that it's like a time-traveling detective that helps you solve the mystery of how much time did that take. Thus, we can say that elapsed time is the difference between starting and the ending time. Let's see some real-life word problems to have a better understanding of the concept. Hold on. Before that, you need to remember that 1 hour is made of 60 minutes, and this is the only key that can make it so easy for you. Look at the first example. You start playing football at 10 a.m. and finish at 1 p.m. How many hours did you spend playing football? So, at first, we need to draw a T-chart representing starting and ending time in the top row. Here, you need to notice one thing, that our start time is currently an o'clock time. That is an ideal situation, as you can simply keep adding the hours to the right side of the chart unless you reach your required ending time onto the left side. So, we found out that you spent 3 hours playing football. Let's see another problem. You decide to bake cookies, and the recipe requires 45 minutes in the oven. If you start baking at 3:30 p.m., at what time will the cookies be ready to take out of the oven? In this word problem, we are given the starting time and the elapsed time, but the ending time is missing. So, given to the situation, we can simply add 45 minutes to the starting time. In order to make it easier, always try to follow the 60 minutes rule, which says you only need to add 30 more minutes in the first step to make 4 o'clock, and add the remaining 15 minutes in the second step. So, you can take the cookies out of the oven at 4:15 p.m. Here is the last example that can surely help you to solve elapsed time word problems like a pro. Sarah started her homework at 4:15 p.m. and finished it at 7:45 p.m. How much time did it take her to complete her homework? What is the elapsed time between Sarah starting and finishing her homework? This time, we have the starting and the ending time with us, and we need to find the time spent, or elapsed time. So, as you know, we are not given an o'clock time as our starting time, so let's follow 60 minutes rule to see how many minutes should we add in the first step. So, subtracting 15 minutes from 60 give us 45 minutes, and that are the required number of minutes to be added in the first step to get 5 o'clock. Now, we can simply add 2 hours to reach 7 o'clock in the second step. In the last step, just add the remaining 45 minutes to reach 7:45 p.m. As adding up the hours and the minutes to the right side of the T-chart, we get 2 hours and 90 minutes. Since 90 minutes is more than 1 hour, or 60 minutes, so we can take out 1 hour out of the 90 minutes to add in 2 hours, making it 3 hours altogether, and thus we are left with only 30 minutes by subtracting 60 from 90 minutes. So, Sarah spent 3 hours and 30 minutes finishing her homework. Now, here is a tip to remember that always follow the 60 minutes rule in case you're not given an o'clock time. If you like the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.